Where we at, Hunter? Or where are you at, Hunter? What have you got done here?
Yeah, I got some of this ground down. It don't make fun of me for my grinding. I don't normally do this. This ain't mine day to day, but grinding these down, getting it ready for the new bars, for the plates to mount up to, and
He's getting all the rough grinding in for me, and I'm gonna go back in and feather the little spots that I need feathered and get the white paint, red paint, black paint. I don't know what color this car originally was, but it's been, the chassis has been 3 different colors. So we're gonna get all that cleaned up. He's gonna get back to doing that.
yeah, thank you.
But I was just letting him know you was getting some stuff done.
For once.
Anyway,
Doing something else besides tire pressure.
we got this side most of the way cut out. I just trim these with a Sawzall. I'll go back and clean them up. But my plasma cutter is way back there under the steps and I can't get to it. So we're gonna finish. He's gonna finish grinding that. I'm gonna get these trimmed up enough where I can finish grind them and then get all the powder coating off of them. Get all the powder coating off the other side. And I got all the brackets drawn. I'll put that somewhere in the video. And then Dave is supposed to come over tomorrow, and then we're gonna cut the brackets out on the table and mock this stuff up and let him know what's going on. Show him a few things he needs and go from there. Hopefully we'll have it back on its wheels and ready to go by the weekend, so that way we can get my car in here and get the body on it so I can go get it wrapped. So
Y'all know what it is.
it's Saturday.
We're day 6 in on this car. Lot of time into this. Got a couple of parts finally to put it together.
From
Yeah.
PPM. Gotta give a big thank you to them for having the heim joints and the spacers that I needed, and having the other spacers, and give a big shout out to Tractor Supply, you know, for having $22 worth of bolts. But that's beside the point. We got I got the brackets made, cleaned up, got all this, gonna bolt some of it together so I can cut some tubing for the passenger side, and then the driver's side fits like amazing. I haven't made the mounts for the passenger side yet, so we're gonna get into that here in just a minute and hopefully get this thing buttoned up. I don't know why I keep looking. Hopefully get this thing buttoned up tomorrow. If not, it'll be Tuesday because I've got a lot to do on Monday. Still haven't got a haircut. Still a combus. So we're gonna try to get all this done tonight, as far as tacked in at least. And then he's got a passenger side bird cage messed up, so we can't put these heims in. That'll have to be something that Mr. Dave does at his shop. So we're gonna hop off here and get these pieces together. What are we leaning in so close for?
Well, hello. How are y'all? Welcome back to day 45.
I don't even know if I'm in the picture. I had to use my old GoPro because I forgot to charge my new one. But after he gives you that icy stare, this is what day is this?
45, 48.
Tuesday.
Yeah. Oh, okay, so we're going
Today's Tuesday. I was hoping to be done with the car Sunday, but I had to get one of our trucks ready to be dropped off yesterday to a spring shop to get the front axle straightened and a kingpin put in. I believe whenever they hauled that truck on a train, because I'm sure that's where it came from, or was strapped to the back of another truck, they chained it down too tight, bent the axle, because it's never been wrecked, or I've never run it in a ditch or anything stupid like that. So I had to get that ready. It was gone for 2 days. My uncle, which is who I'm in business with, he had to have surgery on his hand. So he's down for 2 months. So I had to run around like a chicken with my head cut off today. Didn't get a chance to do anything. Didn't get a chance to do anything yesterday. We did finish this side though. So it's all buttoned up and done. The other side, the brackets are welded in, top and bottom. I did find a crack in the frame over there that I didn't see till I had to climb in there a weird way to weld up one of those brackets. So we've got to fix that crack and put some reinforcement in it right there. So that's set me a day or two behind. Gonna work on it. Worked on it a little bit tonight. Gonna work on it some Wednesday night, hopefully some Thursday. Maybe finish it up Thursday, not for sure. Let Dave come get it Friday or Saturday. So horribly behind on a video.
But it ain't like from effort.
Yeah, it ain't lack from effort. It ain't from a lack of effort.
Whatever.
You know.
It's been hooflon dookie it all around. Just try to make it stick.
Yeah, whatever he said. But anyway.
I'm not entirely sure what it was anyways.
We're gonna try to button this up the next couple of days. So I don't know what we're gonna do about this coming weekend's video. I may show you guys some parts on this new engine build. I've not made up my mind on that. And then as soon as his car is out of here, I gotta pull my dad's Dodge dually in. That's what we're gonna be pulling my trailer with this year. It's got a water leak on the oil cooler to turbo water hose. I don't know how you want to say that, but anyway, it's a pain in the butt to fix, so I got to fix it. And then we will finally get my car in here and do the body on it. So hopefully within a week, my car will be in here and we'll have the body off of it. I hope, because we're running out of time.
Yeah. But hey, lucky for us, we'll get to stick with the crate. That'll be fun.
Hopefully the little crate will last another season.
So if anybody knows about it, it's just you getting beat by a wore out crate motor.
Hey, now hold up. Speaking of crate motors, it will need freshened, but I think I'm going to put it up for sale.
Hey now.
Yeah, hey now.
What?
Anyway, don't mind him. I believe I'll sell it. If anybody's interested in a stout little open motor, you can call it, because it's not a sealed engine. Just get with us, because once I swap over to this new engine, that it won't be any good. I'll sell it intake to oil pan. I'll sell it with distributor, water pump, headers. It's got a nice set of headers. I'll sell all that. I mean, there's plenty of options. Plug wires, plugs, the whole 9 yards. Extra valve springs, all my oil filters. I'll sell all that stuff together. So if anybody has any interest in that, just let me know. It'll probably be May-ish before it's out. So just get with us, and I guess we'll see you in a few days.
And this one don't have a rod thrown in it, or the head's messed up on it.
No, you can hear it run.
Yeah. So Still.
Just had to do that. Peace out, penguin.
Oh, still in my thing. Peace, hamsters.
So, Dave come and picked his car up, him and Jay. I didn't do any more videoing because, number one, it's cold as crap, and diesel's $4 and something a gallon, so we like to froze to death. And
I could cut fog right now.
yeah, and we I didn't charge my GoPros. I mean, that's just all there is to it. My phone was too cold to work, so we got it done. I'll stick a couple of pictures up. He's taking it to one of his buddies and getting a body put on it, and then he'll have his new wrap on. So we're gonna get my car in next week after we take Dad's old Dodge here and fix a water leak that is gonna be a nightmare to get to. I might end up taking that inner fender out and this wheel off, and I can get to it a little easier. It's behind the turbo, so we're gonna fix that and change transmission fluid, you know, because Dodge just love transmissions. Change transfer case fluid, put some air in the tires, change the cab lights and the third brake light because it has a leak somewhere up there. And then as long as it gets above 30 degrees, I'm gonna give it a bath because it don't even look silver. It's got moldy stuff on it from where it's been sitting. So I got brakes to put on it too, but I can't remember if they're front or back brakes. So might have Hunter doing a brake job. I don't know.
Won't be a great job, but it'll be a brake job.
So we'll do a little video on working on this stuff, and then we'll finally be into our race car stuff within a week.
We know y'all been waiting on it. We know.
So that way we can go ahead and get the body on it and get it up to J2 to get a wrap. So the next video, Seth has to change. In the next video, I will put pictures of the wrap up because Seth has to change one more thing that my indecisive self changed. So we'll put that up there and then get to work on getting our stuff ready for this year. And finally ordered a rotating assembly. Gonna order the valve train stuff Monday or Tuesday. And then I gotta order a cam. And I'm just specking out a cam. It's taking me a little bit. So we're out of here.
Peace, penguins.
Peace out, penguin.
Peace out.
What?
Peace out, penguins.
That was his big man voice.
That's right. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, yeah.
They're gonna make it look like a giant.
Yeah.